It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. While the camera and tripod are here and I'm making pizzas, I thought I might as well update my pizza video. So I'm now putting in, this bowl has been warmed, and I'm now putting in 2 teaspoons of normal granulated sugar. And I'm following that with 2 teaspoons of active dried yeast. To that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. Warm water, not hot, or you'll kill the yeast. 1, and that's about half. Now I'm doing several because I'm going to be freezing them. So just give that a little stir around and leave it for about 10 minutes. Somewhere nice and warm, or leave it there if your kitchen's warm, and then come back to it afterwards. After 10 minutes, once the yeast has started to prove itself. Right, my yeast is active. Possibly can't see it too well, but it's foaming up. Lovely. So I'm putting the bowl back on my mixer stand. I've got 4 cups of strong white bread flour here, and I've mixed in about teaspoon and a half of salt, and that will be going in a moment. But I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of olive oil to it, and there wasn't quite 2 in there. That's it. I'll add 1 cup of flour to start with, because I don't want the flour to go everywhere. Now it's incorporated that, so I'll add another 2 cups. And 3 cups. And it started to incorporate that, so I'll add the remainder of the flour. It's looking a bit like it needs a bit more water. And then knead it for about 10 minutes. You can knead it by hand if you want. My stand mixer, although it's got a dough hook, it's not doing too well, so I'll finish it off by hand. Grease, vegetable oil, olive oil, a bowl, put it in, move it around so it doesn't stick, cover it in cling film. I've got these bread proofing covers I've made. Keep it somewhere warm for about an hour. It's had just over an hour now, and as you can see, it's well risen. So I'm going to divide this into 3. There they are, the 3 pizzas for the freezer. These 2 round ones, I've got that tomato paste, tomato puree, and a slight layer of cheddar cheese and ham and a few pineapples, tomato and red Leicester. This is exactly the same, apart from it's just got mozzarella and red Leicester on. But they'll be nice. Might put, once I get started, I don't stop. I was thinking of putting some parsley on. Might do. But they need covering and then putting in the freezer. So thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect